Yes.
Hold on.
I'm just hanging out. Thanksgiving.
Well, do you have that ready? We got to get that turkey on.
You seriously want me to put a turkey? How big is this turkey?
It's only a 12-pound turkey.
12 pound. You realize
12-pound turkey.
I got like a $20
Little.
Mr. Barbecue charcoal grill. You know, I don't have the big Weber.
No, you don't. But
Really?
you know what?
You expect me to put a 12 pound?
12 pounds.
This is going to take a lot of
I have faith in you.
campground engineering.
I have faith in you.
Do you?
I do.
This is the one time you want to make me look stupid, isn't it?
The one time?
You just, this is the one time, right? I guarantee a stupid look.
You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
We'll see. So what do you do when you have a 12-pound turkey and a 5-pound grill? You got to get creative. Yeah, it's just a little Mr. Barbecue. I think I paid like 20 bucks for it. But you know, a little tent, and I got like a half crazy kind of smoker going here. And boy, I can't believe I actually got it in there. And you know, hey, you know what? Mama ain't happy, nobody's happy, right? And I got some mesquite. Some nice mesquite premium charcoal briquettes. So we got a little bit of mesquite action going on, and we're getting ready to check it in just a couple of minutes. So hang in there, we'll be right back. Boobity boobity boop boop boop. Happy Thanksgiving. All right, we're back, Dawn, and it's been about 2 hours.
Right?
And it's time to do a check, and I want to put some more of that mesquite charcoal in there.
Yes.
It's a good hardwood charcoal, so it gives a good mesquite smoke. Yeah, you can smell it. And you know, there's nothing like Texas and mesquite. And we're spending
kind of goes together.
yeah, this Thanksgiving in Texas, so we're loving that. They like pecan wood here too, or
Oh, they do.
pecan or pecan.
Pecan.
But anyway, yeah, we're gonna crack into this. My homemade Campground engineering smoker griller
oven thingy.
Right, putting a 12-pound bird in a 5-pound grill. So we're gonna get in there and check it out. Go ahead and pull that. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I'm getting it.
Looking good. Hey. All right, it's been about 2 hours. You can see my fancy proper upper. That's called a
Proper upper.
that's a fine piece of engineering right there. A nice household spoon. And boy, the turkey's looking good. She's looking good. All right, let me see. I want to open that top. Whoop, get that on top of that foil. We don't want to lose that.
I know that's gonna fly.
That's our secret foil there.
Okay.
All right, so grab that spoon. I'm gonna lift that top open.
All right.
All right.
Got it.
Oh yeah, she's getting there.
Good.
Looking good, looking good.
All right. Let's
She
see
is
if
getting there. I like that. Yeah. All right, so that's about 2 hours. I think we got about another 2 hours.
I think so.
You got a nice rub on there.
Right.
So looking good, looking good. All right, charcoal is just about right. And let me tell you something, if you try this, I did a ring. You want to leave your inside open so you don't burn that bird, but you put a ring of charcoal in here. And then this has been about 2 hours. You can see some of that's cooked out and some of it hasn't. But I'm gonna re-stoke that and put some of that mesquite in there. And then we'll be back in about 2 more hours and check it. And it might be time to celebrate Thanksgiving. So we'll be back coming up. Happy Thanksgiving. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Wow.
And we're back, Dawn, with the big reveal. I'm scared.
I am too.
Seriously, we have not peaked. We have not peaked at
Right?
the thing.
It's time.
Right. And
It's time.
it's been another 2 hours.
Right.
We've seen a lot of nice smoke. We've been smelling the mesquite, and that was a real nice barbecue flavor. So we'll see. Careful, careful! Don't burn yourself. It's still hot.
It's that spoon fell, see?
Oh, okay. Give me a hot. Let's get a hot. Give me a hot.
Hang on a minute. Hang on.
I don't want it to fall on top of the bird. Yeah, give me a. Let me hold that up. All right. Let me get my paw on.
Okay.
Okay. Oh.
Gingerly, carefully.
Hey, it didn't stick. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Ooh, doggy. She is looking good. Oh, yeah. I don't know, did that popper pop up? You know how they give you that little fake popper? Man,
Um,
that's looking good. You know, we might go, oh, it's hard to tell. She is looking delicious. That kind of popped, didn't it? But not really. But you got a lot of rub right there. Yeah. All right. I don't know. I think she's
I don't
ready.
know.
I
It's
think
pretty
she's
close
ready.
to it. These legs.
Close enough to be, you know, camp turkey. Close enough for camping.
Beautiful. Look
Yeah,
at
it
the
does
brown
look
on
delicious.
there.
Yeah. That's going to be really good.
Yummy.
That is going to be delicious. All right. We might let it go just a hair longer. I don't know.
think I wanna
put a little
baste
more
it.
butter. Yeah, baste it. We're probably going to let it go 30 more minutes, or we're going to call that success.
Oh, yeah.
A 12-pound bird and a tiny Mr. Barbecue charcoal grill, man. It just proves, you know, a little campground engineer, you can get it done, right, Don?
Hey, it worked.
And I didn't look too stupid, did I?
I told you could do it.
And
I had to pay.
Oh,
I
now
had to
it's
pay.
not. You're going to look
Aw,
stupid.
honey.
Now it's you could do it. Okay, I got
Kind
you.
of always look stupid,
All
but that's
right.
a whole nother story.
Well, hey, we hope you had a great Thanksgiving. If you're watching this after the fact, we probably did get it posted after the fact because we don't have good enough Wi-Fi here, so
Right.
we'll probably have to drive out in the next day or so and post this up. But happy Thanksgiving belated. We hope you enjoyed it and had a great time with family and friends or whatever you wanted to do. And gobble, gobble, gobble. We hope you find yours, Xanadu.
Toodaloo.